The pumpkin spice latte is one of the most popular coffee drinks, and the key to capturing the magic of fall in a coffee cup is the pumpkin spice sauce. Today, we're making our own pumpkin spice sauce. This is actually super easy to make, and it only takes a few minutes. To make this sauce, you'll need pumpkin pie spice, some pumpkin puree, sweetened condensed coconut milk, vanilla, some water, and you're ready to go. You might have all of these in your kitchen right now, but we've linked to each of them in the description just in case. First, bring a fourth of a cup of water to a simmer. Then, add in 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree and 2.5 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice and stir it for just a minute while it simmers. Now, add in 2/3 cup of condensed coconut milk and stir until it's nicely blended. Finally, turn off that heat and gently stir in half a teaspoon of vanilla. Now let the sauce cool and you're ready to make a perfect pumpkin spice latte and impress your friends this fall season with your own homemade pumpkin spice sauce. Let us know in the comments how your pumpkin spice sauce turned out. Like and subscribe for more coffee and espresso videos.